Hi, Jed here from GDK Veneering. Here in front of me we've got another Jaguar Mark II set that has all been stripped, re-glued, re-veneered in the two different types of veneer, and it's real wood veneer as well. And it's been sprayed with multiple coats of lacquer and primers to get it to this stage. You can see that it's really thick lacquer, so it gives it that ripply effect because it is really thick when you spray it, because this lacquer is designed only for wood. It's not designed to go on the outside of a car, which is a 2-pack lacquer. So this is multiple components that goes into this lacquer to make it what it is. Now, we now leave this was sprayed yesterday, and if you can see, you can still put your fingerprint in it. So this will be left now for about 7 to 10 days, depending on how long it takes to cure. Once it's cured, then it'll get sanded, flatted, and then it'll be polished. But like I said, you can see the ripply effect before anybody says that, oh, look at this, it's ripply. That is supposed to do what it's doing, because if it does that, it's grabbing out of the veneer that's actually underneath it. So we want it to do that here, so it doesn't do it once it gets back in your car. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, like I said. Please click like, share, and tell your friends, and subscribe on YouTube. Bye bye.